Stop asking which AI model is the best. Wrong question. The right question is, which AI for what? Let me explain with superheroes. Think about the Avengers for a second. They're all superheroes, but if you throw them into the wrong fight, you lose. You do not send Hawkeye to fight Thanos. You do not ask the Hulk to do brain surgery. And you do not let Thor handle customer support. Every hero has a job, and if you don't know who's good at what, you're going to get your digital ass kicked. So here's the truth. AI models are the same. You've got three superheroes right now: GPT 5.1, Gemini 3 Pro, and Claude 4.5. And if you don't understand their powers, you're wasting half your potential and blaming the wrong model like it's their fault. So let's break this down. GPT 5.1 is like Iron Man: fast, smooth, charismatic, creative, talks like a real human. This model is conversational as hell, amazing for writing, content, tutorials, customer-facing stuff, explaining complex things simply. It's got adaptive reasoning, which means it thinks hard on tough problems and flies through easy ones. If you want personality, speed, and that human touch, that's your model. When GPT 5.1 walks into the room, people want to talk to it. Now, Gemini 3 Pro, we're talking vision, sees everything: images, screenshots, PDFs, spreadsheets, videos, audio, handwritten notes, your cat in the background, all at the same time. It is your multimodal monster. Gemini 3 Pro has the best visual understanding in the world. 81% on complex image reasoning, 87.6% on video understanding. It can watch a 3-hour lecture, read a handwritten recipe in another language, analyze your pickleball form from video, and explain black hole physics from a diagram. If your task involves visuals, documents, videos, or heavy fact-checking, Gemini wipes the floor with everyone. It's also got a 1 million token context window, which means it can read an entire library and remember all of it. Claude 4.5, that's Dr. Strange. Deep thinker, long memory, ridiculous reasoning. It keeps track of every detail across giant projects without blinking. Claude 4.5 is the best coding model in the world. 77.2% on SWE Bench verified, highest score ever recorded. But here's the kicker. It can work autonomously for 30+ hours straight without losing focus. Not 30 minutes, not 3 hours, 30 hours. If you need deep analysis, planning, multi-step logic, autonomous coding, complex financial modeling, legal research, business writing, Claude is the wizard. It can build entire applications, refactor massive code bases, handle cybersecurity tasks, and produce production-ready spreadsheets and presentations. And when the task is complex and you need sustained intelligence, Claude is your model. See the pattern yet? Iron Man talks. Vision analyzes. Dr. Strange thinks. And if you use the wrong hero for the wrong mission, you're going to think AI is stupid. But it's not AI. It's you picking Thor to do your taxes. So here's when to use each one. Use GPT 5.1 when you want speed and conversational tone, creative writing, content creation, tutorials, customer-facing responses, fast answers with that human touch. Use Gemini 3 Pro when the task involves images, videos, PDFs or screenshots, document analysis or OCR, long context like reading entire books, transcripts, code bases, multilingual or visual reasoning, fact-checking with high accuracy. Use Claude 4.5 when you need deep reasoning and complex logic, autonomous coding or long-running tasks, financial analysis, legal work, cybersecurity, business documents, spreadsheets, presentations, computer use, and multi-step workflows. This is how you win the AI war, not by asking which model is best, but by knowing which hero you send to which fight. Iron Man for conversation, Vision for visuals, Dr. Strange for deep work. Match the tool to the task, and stop blaming the AI when you're the one sending Hawkeye to fight Thanos.